Hello students, Sai Ram. Welcome to online computer classes. Today we are going to start with the third chapter of computer, that is working with Windows. Okay, now in this chapter we are going to learn what is operating system, then what is Windows, then feature of Windows and how to start Windows. Okay, students, give me answer of one question. The question you can also see on the screen. Who take care of all household work at your home? Yes, you are right. It's your parents. Your parents do all the work of house and takes all the responsibility. They run the house with a particular system because all works are done on it type. We do not have any worry about anything. Now, students, imagine one thing. If your parents are not at home and you are given to all the responsibility to manage the house, can you do it? No. It will be a tough task for you to manage the daily works of a house, and world fall in a mess. You make house dirty. Right, students? Okay. In the same way, a computer has a special set of programs which manage all the jobs and work of a computer and makes it run. And this term is called operating system. Understand? Students, you remember if in first chapter we studied about software. The software are called operating system, who operate the whole computer activities. When we start our computer, on screen written with Windows is seen. Windows World. Yes, this is the operating system of a computer. When we start computer, first of all, operating system will start. Without it, we cannot even start a computer or work on it. That's why operating system is very important part of a computer system. Without operating system, computer can't work on its own. Understand, student? Okay, students. Do you know what is Windows? Yes, Windows is an operating system. It is a one type of operating system, and nowadays it is the most popular operating system. Which images comes to your mind after hearing the word window? Window. Yes, it is the window of our house, from which we see outside and also various things outside the home. Same as in computer Windows. In computer Windows is an name of operating system. It is a rectangular frame that shows different program of computer screen. Student, here you can see on the screen one picture is given. In that picture, a photograph of one person. He is also given in your textbook. This person name is William Bill Gates. What? William Bill Gates. You heard about this name? Yes, he is a founder of Microsoft Corporation, and Windows operating system is developed by Microsoft Corporation. Today, Windows operating system is the most popular operating system in the world. Okay. Okay, now let us discuss different operating systems available. So, the first one is MS-DOS. That is Microsoft Desktop Operating System. This is the oldest operating system by Microsoft. Then Windows 98 came, again an operating system by Microsoft. Later on, Microsoft released Microsoft XP, then Windows 7, after that Windows 8 and Windows 10. Windows 10 that we use nowadays. There are other company also developed different operating system like Mac OS by Apple, and Linux, that is developed Linux Star Worlds. Okay. Now, among these operating system, Microsoft's one operating system is become very popular, that is Windows 7. Okay. So let us know about features of Windows 7. The first feature of Windows 7 is, first, it is a more attractive than other operating system. Then it is the GUI best operating system, means graphical user interface. That means the users, icons, windows and menus which can be operated by using a mouse. And the third feature of Windows 7 is, the best feature of Windows 7 is that supports multiple tasking. Multitasking. It means we can done multitask tasks at the same time. Like you will copy the file while listening to music. At the same time, you can type your document and do other work also. So, student, this is called feature of Windows 7. Understand? Now, starting Windows. Student, you can see the screen of a computer here. On the screen, do you remember where you seen this screen? Yes, on computer. When we start our computer, it will show us first screen. Yes, that is a blue screen. What? Blue screen. And this is called desktop. Yes, this is the main screen of Windows operating system. Okay. Okay, student. Today we are going to learn about three things. First one is desktop, then icons and taskbar. Okay. Now, the desktop, the first screen that is seen on a computer. When we switch on or start the computer is called desktop. Here you can see on the screen, the blue color screen is called desktop. It is appears with label picture on it. This picture is called icon. These icons are used to open specific program or document. Okay. Here the first icon is computer. So when we click on this computer icon, it will be open a computer program. Okay. Then second icon is recycle bin. If you click on recycle bin icon, it will open recycle bin program. Okay. Now take an example of icon. For icon, when you go to the kitchen and open a cupboard, you will find various label boxes. These boxes contain different items. That item we use in kitchen for cooking. Okay. This cupboard work like windows and the label boxes is work like a icon. So you understand what is windows and what is icon here. Okay. Now the third one is taskbar. Student, the taskbar is located at the bottom of the screen. It is long horizontal bar at the bottom of desktop. Here you can see on a screen only taskbar picture is given. Right? It has different button on it. It has start button on left corner, and after start button to here it is called a quick launch toolbar. Then after right side of the taskbar, this is called notification area. Okay. And it is notification area. It is also contain date and time. At the last you can see one rectangular button is there, is called show desktop buttons. Okay. If you click on this button, you will come on the desktop. Now let us detail information about this button of the taskbar. The first button is that is present on the left corner of the taskbar is start button. Start button is used to open start menu. When we click on start button, it will open one menu, and this menu contains documents, Windows applications, Windows helps, and much more option. In short, it shows all the application or a programs stored inside the computers. In this way, we can open any program and application on the computer. Next is quick launch toolbar. It is present at middle of the taskbar. We can see some buttons with label for each open application and allow us to quickly switch between them and open application. It will show here. Next is notification area. These are called notification area. Notification area contain options like clocks, date, and the group of icons that provides notification about updates, networks, connectivity, then incoming mails or battery and volume, etc. Now the last option button is shows desktop buttons. If we click on this button, it will minimize all the open programs and open windows and view the desktop. In short, it will show the main screen of the desktop. Okay. Now student, In today's section, we learn what is operating system, then Windows, and then features of Windows and desktop icons and taskbar. Okay student, I hope all of you understand this chapter. Okay, thank you, and once again Sai Ram.